The former St. John's Anglican Church stands as the oldest intact remaining significant building of its time in Lac du Bonnet. In 1906, the St. John's Anglican Church was built. Thomas Houston, with the help of Alexander Spence and his 3 sons, constructed the 24 by 45-foot church. Wooden bricks used for the construction were made at the Lac du Bonnet Mining, Developing, and Manufacturing Company, owned by John Duncan MacArthur. It was a wood frame building with tie rod truss roof support and had 8 Gothic-inspired windows. An arched diamond lead glass window with bullseye inserts is located in the northeast vestry of the church. A turn of the 20th century original custom hand-colored stained glass window was and is the east focal point of St. John's. This stained glass window enhances the interior sanctuary. A notable interior feature is a rose stained glass window from St. Mary's Anglican Church in Pointe-du-Bois. It hangs above the west entry in St. John's in memory of Mr. Edward J. Hawkes, 1887 to 1949. Mr. Hawkes married Elizabeth Howcroft in St. John's on May 7, 1913. 10 years later, in 1916, a 42-foot belfry was added to the church entrance by Hans Johnson, who was accompanied by Henry Park. A simple cross topped the pyramid spire with decorative corbels and 12 wooden louvers to let the sound of the bell be heard throughout Lac du Bonnet. Since its inception, St. John's Anglican Church was a gathering place for the community. The church upper belfry is showing its age after 114 years. The paint is peeling, the bell louver casing needs attention, and some important details have been removed over the years. The Lac du Bonnet and District Historical Society is about to embark on an exterior restoration and preservation project to protect these defining elements. The former St. John's Anglican Church now stands as the only designated heritage site in the town of Lac du Bonnet. Our work saving and preserving Lac du Bonnet's history is only possible because of incredible donors like you. Please consider making a lasting investment in history by supporting the Lac du Bonnet and District Historical Society. Share our vision of Lac du Bonnet's history.